The OEMTOOLS Valve Spring Compressor is used to compress the valve spring and access the valve keepers. Once the valve retainer has been removed, you can use the tool to lift the spring off of the head. Let's get started. Rotate the T-handle counterclockwise to provide maximum reach on the valve spring. Squeeze the top levers to expand the outside hooks. Align the tool over the valve spring and slowly release it so the hooks attach and grasp the spring. While holding the tool in place, slowly rotate the T-handle clockwise, compressing the valve spring. This will allow you to access the valve spring keepers. Once the valve spring keepers are removed, lift the tool with the valve spring compressed.